Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to download a font from a website like Dafont and then to install it onto your machine. So through Chrome I've opened up Dafont and I think I'm going to choose this font here to download. So I'm just going to click the download button and then inside my downloads through Finder down the bottom here, I'm going to just check that it's there. I'm going to double click to open up this zip. And then these are all the fonts we can see here, all the different weights of it. So the .otf files are the ones that we'll want to be installing. .ttf is okay too. So to install these, go up to the magnifying glass up here and type in font book. Open that one up. And then click this little plus sign. And then in your downloads, choose these OTF files. You can hold down Shift to select more than one at a time and then say open. Now we can see that all of these fonts have now been installed. If you're working on a program like Illustrator or Photoshop, PowerPoint, and if you go in there and you can't see the font that you've just installed, you might just have to save your work and quit the program to open it back up, and then it should be there. It's also a good idea to keep a copy of these files, the OTF files of your font, somewhere in your OneDrive so that if you move computers, you can install the fonts again on that computer. Thanks for watching.